Hi YouTubers, welcome to my video, and today I'm just going to show you how to create your first app. If you don't have any experience on coding, you don't need any coding anyway. I'm just going to take you step by step legal way and acceptable way which you can create your first app and upload it to Google App Store. Okay, now regarding what equipment you need, the more powerful computer you have, the more better, because these applications are very huge. For example, I'm using i3, which is the minimum. I'm using i3 computer with 8 GB of RAM, and I've got 1.5, which is 1500 of hard drive, and also I've got the video card. Okay, now I will list all this description on my description box, as well as I will show you every click which you need to follow. If you miss anything, you can just pause and go back to the video. Okay, now the first things, we are going to download Android Studio. To download Android Studio, we just need to go to Google. Let's say I'm in Google Play. Now just type in Android Studio. Download Android Studio, install Android Studio. Click that, you will get this option. Now click download Android. As I said, it is a very huge file. It is 896 MB. So you need to prepare to wait if your connection is not good. So click download, and then the file will start downloading. As you can see from mine here, it shows like about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. Once you have downloaded that, just close down that website. Okay. Now install, wait for some minutes. Sometimes it might take even 5 minutes because it's very huge. There's a lot of things. You can customize it, but because you are beginners, you don't know what to customize. After the installation, go on and open Android Studio from your computer. You need to wait a little bit because it might take some time to open. So once it's open, just go to File, New, New Project. What we need is an empty activity. There's a lots of project here which you want to create. It's easier for you, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna go to empty activity. Click next. Now give a name to your application. Okay. Uh, I'm going to give it a name. It can be any name. So this is the name which will be available on your Google Play apps when people are searching for your application. Right. I am going to give a name starting with capital letter, Hadithi za Kiswahili. It's like a fair tale, but this is in Swahili language, which is my language. Okay. Package name. This is now package name. It's very important. Here you can include your website. For example, my website is called flashtontv.com. So it is com.flashtontv.hadithi za Kiswahili. Every time you upload an app, you need to give it different name. Okay. Save location, it's already here. It is C, Android Studio project. The file has already been created for you. If sometimes you might have your computer name has got a space, it's gonna cause some difficulties when you produce the app, but mine, the name hasn't got any. So if for example you have got a space on your username, computer username, just create a new user and give all administration access without a space. Okay. Now you need to choose Java for you. I'm gonna leave it as Kotlin, but for your application, please use Java here. I'm not gonna explain the difference between Java and Kotlin. That's gonna be for advanced user. So looking down on event logs, you'll see all the process. It's gonna take some minutes, as I said. After everything has finished and you have confirmed from event log here, you're going to end with two files. One is main activity.java and activity main XML. Okay. If I click activity main XML, I'm going to get the interface. This is like a phone, your Android phone or tablet. Okay. There's a text view and other things. We're not going to deal with this now. Now I'm going to click on code here, code, or you can use Alt plus Shift plus right, and here we are going to remove everything. Just Control C, and delete everything. After that, we are going to go to another website which I'm going to show you. It is github.com. You will find it on my description. Copy that. It will be on my description box. If I scroll up, this is what I get. So you need to scroll down, past table of content, go to download. In download, first we need to get this coding. Okay, these are the code we are going to copy from here to here. Everything's there. Okay, copy and then go back to your Android main activity. Now you're going to click Ctrl V to paste. Don't worry about this. You can see that it is something like red because something is not right here. I will show you how to fix that. This, go back to the website. Okay, and scroll up. We need to create a dependency now. So with dependence, we need to copy this one, implementation.com. Okay, and then go back to Android Studio and go to Gradle script. Now we are going to Gradle here and scroll down. So build.gradle.module with the name like a cartoon is our Toto, mine, or any name which you have given. Now go here, click here, enter, Control V. Okay. After that, just go to sync now. I'm going to do synchronization now. All the result is going to be on event log here. So Gradle sync finish in 5 seconds. Going back to your main activity.java, you can see now that everything is going to change. It was red, now it's going to go green. So we have finished creating this app. Now we just need to add our video ID now from YouTube. You see here the video ID, which is what we need to change. Delete that, go to YouTube. I'm gonna go now to my channel and I'm going to copy video ID. This is the video ID which I'm going to copy one of my video. Copy, go back to Android Studio and paste it inside here. So now I have got my own channel now on this YouTube app. So guys, as you can see now, we have created our first app. Now, how about if you want to add more video? So to add more video is to copy the same information here. I'm going to copy the same information, Control C, enter on the last line, and Control V. Now you end up with two video of the same and an error of Android here because it's duplicate ID. I'm just gonna remove this one of the ID. Okay, going back, and we can still remove this. It's not gonna affect anything anyway, right? So because they are still the same video, I'm going back to my YouTube channel. This is my channel and I'm going to choose one of the video, let's say this one. Copy, go back here and on video ID. We are going to delete that and paste the one which we have just taken from our YouTube channel. So we have two videos now. We might able to change this autoplay to false because we don't want them to play automatically. So we might try to change it to false if you want. Do the same to the second video. If you just click there, delete, and then when you start right click, you'll see the option of false. Okay, I'm gonna add the third video now. So the third video is just copy the same information, click enter on the last, and then paste. Now we have three video, 1, 2, 3, and then you are going to go back to your YouTube channel. First delete this and go back to your YouTube channel, and then repeat step 1 and 2. Once you're happy, it's time to produce this application. So you're just gonna go to build, generate sign APK. This is what you need because you need a signature on your app. Choose APK, create a new one, key store path, I'm gonna fill in this information, for example, my name, animation, Flashtune TV. We can put any city and country code 44. Okay, now we need password, key store path, and we need key store path, and we need password, and we need password for this. Okay, right, so this is where we have our folder. I'm going to go to browse, and I would rather create a new folder. So to create a new folder, you can use this one, new folder, on the same folder here. For example, create a new folder and give it to, right, what is the name of my app? Katuni za Watoto. Katuni za Watoto. Right, click OK, and then add your name here, Katuni za Watoto, and click OK. Now I'm just going to add my password now. You need to create this security, right? And OK. This is the validity of how old it should stay on Google Play. Now I have got everything with my password. It's my computer. Many people say that don't take remember password. Someone will be able to access sometimes later, but I'll just leave it as it is and click next. And you need make sure you're using release, not debug. Debug is something which you are not going to publish it, because I'm happy with my app, so I'm going to use release, and signature version I'm gonna tick both of them and click finish. So it's going to build. You can see here now it's going to build. If there's any error, it's gonna tell me. So we have an error. Most likely it is going to be the name. Okay, so just gonna read what error it is here. Right, okay, so the error we have, it is because, you know, this website GitHub, I don't know what you call it. Right, this website here, when it was created, so this version was version 16. So it said the minimum API level supported by this libraries is API 17. So in that situation, we need to change, because it said at least the project should be at least 17. So we need to change to 17 on Gradle, build Gradle module dot cartoon is our total. So this is version 16. I'm just gonna put 17 here, and then I need to sync. It looks like everything is up to date. So that was the previous error. Okay, so now because we have successfully synced it, I'm going back to build, generate APK. Next, so this is your file now. This is what you're going to upload on YouTube, Google Apps, which you can watch my next video. Now click next, release, make sure these signatures are ticked, and click finish. Now hopefully this time we're not gonna get any error. Yes. So as I said, this one was previous, which you can clear it if you want. I mean, clear that one, right? And now look at on event log. Looks like everything is okay now. So it took 1 minute and 21 seconds, and it says that everything is generated and successful, so there's no more error. Now if you want to have a look at your file, you can click locate, or you can click analyzed if you want to do something. Okay, so this is where your file is on release here. So we have created app release.apk. I'm going to change the name because I don't want it to conflict with other app which I have already made it. I'm going to rename, and I'm going to use this time Katuni za Watoto.apk. Okay, so this is my folder. This is my app. Okay, I will show you this app. If I connect my phone, I'm just gonna connect my phone and I will show this app that everything is working. Just to let you know that this has not been uploaded to YouTube, I mean to Google Apps. You need to watch my next video how to upload this. We have already created the file, it just need uploading, but it can play on your phone. If I send you this through WhatsApp or anything, you can see that you'll be able to play this app. So those are my 3 videos which I have already created there. This app hasn't got any text and it has only got my videos. So if you need to add any text, I can show you in my next video. Don't forget to watch in my next video. However, there's something which I'm not happy with. You can see that there are 3 videos, but they don't fit on one screen. In that situation, we need to change this. To change that, I will show you also in another video. At the moment, everything is being created now. Watch next video how to publish on Google app for Android. Thanks very much for watching, and if you've got any question, you can just put in the comment box, and all the description including the website I have used, it's gonna be on my description box below. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye.